Hello everyone. It's 1:45. We are in Munnar, and this. Sorry. I always do this. This is my camp back in Thekdi, and this is the first time I'm doing such a proper camping. So.
लेकिन ये कहानी यहाँ से शुरू नहीं होती, ये शुरू होती है कि हमने मुन्नार को गुड बाय कह दिया था और अब नेक्स्ट स्टॉप था थेकड़ी। मुन्नार लक्की की चॉइस थी और थेकड़ी सत्यम की। और 3 घंटे की राइड के बाद जाके हम पहुंचे थेकड़ी। थेकड़ी फेमस है अपने नेशनल पार्क पेरियार के लिए और वही घूमने हम लोग यहाँ पर आए थे।
मेरी छोटी सी बेबी है ना
ഒരു മാർഗവുമില്ല ചിലപ്പോൾ ജംഗ്ഷനിലൊന്നും പോയി നൈസായിട്ട് പോയി
We were dancing like a snake. We are going to check our camps. We have reached Thekdi and we are staying in camps today. Like we have done hotel things quite a lot. So this time we are doing camping and we are going for our camps. We'll put our tents. Tent here.
അടി മൊത്തം ഷീറ്റ്
No permanent tent, no?
That's fine.
सोने का इंतजाम हो जाने के बाद अब दूसरा टास्क था थेकड़ी का पेरियार पार्क, जो कि यहाँ का सबसे फेमस पॉइंट है। Are you sure?
Fuck yeah.
So everyone is getting ready to see Periyar, and we are in Periyar National Park, which is one of the world's biggest tiger reserve sanctuary. It has 47 tigers, but I feel like Corbett is way bigger than this. And we have took a boat ride, so we'll be riding on this boat. We spotted first deer. Hey guys. Baby elephant. Deepti baby elephants. It's a kingfisher. Thank you. Thank you. Then what should we do? After seeing Periyar, it was time to go back to our camp. But सबसे पहले पहुंचना था हमें बस स्टॉप, जहां पे हमारे ड्राइवर हमारा वेट करते थे। बस स्टैंड पहुंच के हमें पता चला कि हमारे ड्राइवर साहब टेकड़ी के हैं एंड ही इनवाइटेड अस फॉर अ टी एट हिज होम। हमें उनके बच्चों से मिलने का मौका मिला जो बहुत ही प्यारे थे, डिएगो एंड एंजेला, एंड वी हैड ग्रेट फन विद देम।
Come outside. You don't want to come outside?
This is his den.
Hello.
Chair in there.
Say hello.
A little chair is also there. Diego.
Diego,
Diego.
you will get your number. You got it from here.
Where's mine?
You got it here.
Diego, this is for you. Thank you.
No. What is this?
I
What you will buy with this?
Diego will buy chocolates with it.
JCB.
He's gonna buy things with it.
He'll buy some more JCBs. But this is first time I'm doing camping, and that cool camping like you are doing this kind of barbecue.
Always barbecuing, I guess.
So it's for
It's the easiest
Tikadi.
way
Tikadi.
to-
Tikadi.
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 Tickety.
Hello everyone. It's 1:45. We are in Munnar, and this. Sorry. I always do this. We are in Tekadi,
Today night was a
and this is my camp back in Tekadi, and this is the first time I'm doing such a proper camping. So, if you are in Tekadi, I'll give you the number. You can contact on that number. I'll give you the number for Tekadi and Kochi, maybe for Munnar as well. Like Munnar was one cafe which I enjoyed. Maybe you can enjoy. I have number of everyone. I'll give you the number of everyone, and this will be like single video for
ब्यूटीफुल
every
मेमोरीज के
place.
साथ आज का दिन भी खत्म
Signing
हुआ
off
और
from
अब टाइम था कैंप
last
ऑफ करने
or
का,
the
क्योंकि
first
हम लोगों को एंजॉय
camping
करनी थी
site
आपस में एक दूसरे की कंपनी।
my
आप
life.
तब तक ये फोटोज एंजॉय कर सकते हो।
Tickety.
No, the
Tikadi.
Tikadi. You better be happy with the little drumsticks, nigga.
He's gonna have two.
He's gonna have the baby one.
He's gonna this last baby one.
Honestly, with that attitude, bro, she's only gonna have the small one.